Well, happy Memorial Day weekend, everyone. It's Roberto Miki again. And well, I did a solo event today for a organization or nonprofit that I'm helping to start. It's called Pick Up for Cancer. We're raising funds through recycling to help fund a cancer treatment and research. So it's a good event. And I'd like to give a shout out to my daughter for making the emblem, which you can see right below here. And also like to shout out to some of the students who've been helping out at FIU. And well, this is a solo event, and I wanted to see how many cans I could pick up on my own for cancer. And well, today you'll see the results, but it's surprising. Well, before we get into the video, remember to like and subscribe, and remember to look at this video up here. It's a pickup for cancer's first video, and remember to like and subscribe to their channel as well, because that'll help out this great cause. We'll see you later. Drunk driving going on in Miami. Next to US 1. Another one. Chick-fil-A. Budweiser. It's like a Heineken advertisement. Another one. You gotta look underneath. There's two more. Well, actually, three more. There's some one can. So the end, I ended up walking about 1.95 miles, and it took me about 50 minutes. Not bad. It took 2 hours work, an hour work. Well, we went down to Bob's Recycling to recycle our cans. We got about 4 pounds of cans, which ended up translating into about $2.40, which is not a bad day for cancer. In any case, hope you'll enjoy the video. Remember to like and subscribe. Maybe we'll see you at one of our events. Wait a minute. I'm going to put out a shout out and a challenge to Dr. TJ Utset Ward. I don't think he can pick up as many cans as I did.